Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how ChatGPT can make your everyday life easier, more organized, and even a little more fun. ChatGPT is an AI assistant that understands and generates human-like text. It's not just for tech experts, anyone can use it. Think of it as Google, a helpful friend, and a personal writer all rolled into one. There are four big reasons to use ChatGPT in everyday life. It saves time, saves money, reduces stress, and boosts creativity. From planning meals to organizing your schedule, it's like having a personal assistant who never takes a day off. Let's start with food. ChatGPT can plan your weekly meals, generate grocery lists, or suggest healthy recipes based on what's in your fridge. It can even create a workout plan to be tailored to fit your specific fitness goals. ChatGPT can break down your budget, explain confusing terms, or help you compare options like credit cards or loans. It helps you make smarter financial decisions without spending hours doing all the exhaustive research on your own. Need a birthday idea, gift suggestion, or vacation plan? ChatGPT's got you covered. It can create itineraries, suggest hotels, and even plan meals for your trip. And for parents, it can help with homework or fun educational games for the kids. If you're focused on growth, ChatGPT can help you learn a new language, prepare for interviews, or write daily journal reflections. It's like having a personal tutor or motivational coach right on your phone. To get the best results, be specific. Tell ChatGPT who it's for, what you need, and what style you want. And don't be shy about refining your request. Treat it like a conversation, not a one-and-done search. Always double-check important information, like prices or directions. Never share private or sensitive data. Remember, ChatGPT is here to assist, not replace your judgment. Here's a personal challenge. Try ChatGPT out this week for a personal task, maybe a meal plan, budget, or weekend trip idea. Once you see how much time it saves you, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it.